Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and this is your forecast for the weekend, August 16th and 17th, 2014, Saturday and Sunday. For your Saturday to start out here today, we're going to have a mostly sunny day, and unlike yesterday where we had those clouds hanging around over the northern half of our coverage area, I think we're going to get warm enough today. Winds are going to be shifting to the southwest. We're not going to have a northwest flow aloft like we had yesterday with the very cold temperatures and the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere that cause those clouds. So I think everybody's mostly sunny today. Winds out of the southwest, so we're going to warm up. It's going to be noticeably warmer than it was on Friday as well. We're going to have a cold front that's going to be pushing southeastward. Now the timing of this is going to be coming in overnight, so it's of course associated with this low pressure here. As this moves to the southeast, it's going to get into our coverage area here over in the overnight hours. So we're not looking at much in the way of thunderstorm activity. Maybe for northern sections here, the northern half of our coverage area could get in some thunderstorms if they get in here before midnight. The rest of us are going to be after midnight, so the atmosphere will be a lot more stable. We're not talking about anything severe or even thunderstorms for the most part. Will be limited also. We're mainly talking about showers, rain showers, and very hit or miss at that. We're not really looking at a widespread rain event here overnight, Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Here is this front moving down to the southeast. This is actually looking at Sunday morning on the European model, and it has the showers just on the European model, has it just over the northern areas at this point. But we go to the latest guidance here of the NAM here, and I think this has a better idea of what's going on. It's a lot faster with this frontal boundary. This is actually looking at Saturday night at 8 p.m. and it's already some pretty good storms going on here and across by Syracuse back into western New York here. But as this moves to the south and east here, is going to lose some steam considerably. And we'll have to keep an eye on this for the northern areas here, just in case we do have any thunderstorms or any stronger storms coming in. That would be your only shot in our coverage area of getting anything on the stronger side, but that will move to the southeast and kind of fall apart as it does so. And then just a chance of a few showers here. This is actually looking at 2 a.m. on Sunday. Again, overnight instability is a lot. Instability isn't that high. A lot more stable of an atmosphere, so you're not looking at anything. Any storms sustaining themselves, so it should just be some leftover showers as this moves to the southeast. Here is 5 a.m. You can see some showers and maybe a thunderstorm moving to the southeast here. And then by early Sunday morning, 8 a.m., the NAM has this thing just about clear. Just our southern areas will still be in the chance for a shower and thunderstorm. Everywhere else north of there should be okay. And then the rest of Sunday will be nice. So we're not looking at any. Originally, it looked like Sunday was going to be one of those days where you have scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now it's not looking that way. So we've actually taken the accounting for the early shower or very early Sunday morning. I would say after midnight, Saturday night, and very early Sunday morning. Other than that, we should have improving conditions, and the weekend should be, for the most part, during the day, fine on both days. Now, finally, we're going to go back to the Euro here and go a little bit further in time here. The Euro has the system moving now to our south here on Tuesday and not bringing much in the way of precipitation to our area here. But it's cut off pretty much the Mason-Dixon line, extreme southern New Jersey, and it does have rain across Delaware, Maryland, and very extreme southern PA and southern New Jersey here. But again, not a big deal. So we did carry low to moderate chance probabilities down in these areas here, but north of there, very isolated chances just because some models are disagreeing with that idea, and one of those models being the GFS. This is actually showing Tuesday morning here on this run here of the Euro, and then that just shoots off the coast here the rest of Tuesday. But if you do look at the GFS does something similar with that system, but it does bring the precipitation on the north side quite a bit further north. You can see it's getting all the way up here into just about Williamsport. So, I mean, it's a big difference from just being down to the Mason-Dixon line at Williamsport. That's a pretty considerable difference. So we'll have to, we did carry low chance probabilities even up in these areas here where the Euro had nothing just because of the uncertainty. And hopefully we can narrow that down as we get a little bit closer to this event later in the week. Now, beyond that system, we are going to have another system here going to touch off a few showers here on Thursday. The Euro is the only thing that's carrying the showers. The GFS is actually a little bit slower with this, And it has this system coming in a little bit later here. Here's a look at Thursday on the GFS and just our western areas. We get into an isolated shower. So again, low chance shower chance on Thursday. So your chance for precipitation are going to be Saturday night after midnight into very early Sunday morning. Then again, low chances for southern areas mainly on Tuesday, and then another low chance of precipitation here as we get into Thursday. So other than that, temperatures will be hanging generally near normal or slightly below through the entire period. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, August 16th and 17th, 2014. Have a great weekend.